Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to IP telephony solution with the AP-IP230 5-inch touchscreen LCD IP phone. AP-IP230 SIP phone is a high-performance IP phone that enables high-quality voice communication using the internet. It optimally supports voice telephony services in general internet environments such as broadband network and ad hoc IPPBX solution environments through various voice codec and various I/O interfaces. AP-IP230 supports VIP signaling protocols such as SIP 8.323, various voice codecs such as G.722, G.711, G.726, G.798, etc. And the AP-IP230 IP phone supports 5-inch color LCD with a built-in touchscreen, wide variety of feature keys, and touchscreen-based 25-speed dial keys. AP-IP230 IP phone supports clear and vivid information display capability by using a color LCD. And it supports not only telephony services but also IP voice broadcasting by using handset, amplifier speakers, external microphone line in and out interfaces. And AP-IP230 supports IP-based push-to-talk service function. This is AP-IP230 OSD demonstration. This is AP-IP230 Smart Web Manager demonstration. This is AP-IP230 command line interface demonstration.